Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Nail Art. Let's start it. Maintain your cuticles. Cuticles are very delicate and get returned easily. Taking good care of your cuticles is a crucial part of nail care. If you have a hangnail handle to a carefully trim to gently to so that it do not takes out a cause more pain. Do not beat or pinch out cuticles. Make sure you have moisturized your cuticles. Apply either coconut and almond oil to the cuticle and massage gently to nurture them. Classical pumpkin. These nails are a great of fall since it's to a make used to classical Halloween colors and they are nail are looking amazing. The glitter polish look to a striking while the applied feature nail making sure this is a set of a sparking season. Shining star. With a rich coconut brown base to a acrylic star, this set to a perfect way to get nail ready a fall. All you need are some brown token like those in a ovalin and a jacket pumpkin speaking little set and a paint your nails. Drinking the day or night. Who is the raking or swinging summer or winter in the airport in their car? Well, it is maybe different to do nail art in the car, but you get the ideas right. Economical. Nail polish do not go out of fashion or at a less not as the first of clothing do. Good polished will last measure too. So even buying any other nail polish, you are not wasting money. You are extending your collection. Compact. A strong 100 polish stick less than as 100 shoes of example. Even if you are too want to polish, you will be available to store that Halloween Apple Halamer. Yet strong 2000 shoes will be a bit problematic of most people. Clear your nail regularly and make sure you allow to do practical washing and sunlight, making sure you that your nails do grow too long as the making it easier to dry it below in this nail. Use a moisturizer. Dry and thickness are a bit as your nails as they are for your skin. Nails are very delicate and are tend to break up easily. Moisturize them to make them strong. Trim regularly. Similar to how to trimming your hair regularly is good for its health. The sum goal of your nails. Taking a nail cutter and cut them neatly. Take some time every few weeks for to trim your nails and shop them in a manner you like. It is the best if you trim your nails in a straight line and the other required around them off at the steps. Stars and moon. This man is perfect if you are dressing as a witch for the night. You will look ready to cast a spell with the stars and moons painted on your stole. The look fascistic sense in has the adhesive designing of white and black. Spooky spider webs. Spider webs look great painted on the statue nails with a metal finish. It is a gothic and a glam nail designs at the same time. The money is perfect for parties and throughout fall. Taking some orange nail polish for the tips of your nails, and you fine tips brushes to point and delicate spider web on your chosen nails. Helpfulness. Scientific from the Menkes Institute to a technology found the woman body release of endorphins during nail painting. They also found that accepting manicure can make sure her 18% helper and a cosmetic 15 dump snacks. Okay, Jackie, but surely do a great manicure make you feel happy? It does right. We won't need scientists to prove to us they will feel happy. We just do. Agilize. It do not really matter how old you are 50 to 55. Just make sure you have a good health cream and a cuticle oil regularly. Family activity. If you have a kind nail art can be a great activity to do together. Make sure you have 5 free polish through. As for the I can't believe me they. Well, I got excited about doing nail art together. Most likely you have already heard they. I want to nail like mom. Too many times they will actually sit still and listen. Want your nails pointed? Cleanse your room first. Get it a work. Good liner, nail art brushes, and acrylic pen to a point on the star. Just be sure to use the top cost to seal it off. Says a Los Angeles based manicurist Hungy and nailing Halloween. Mix and match. We love mix and match nail look. And this one doing in a black and white is a great example how different designs can you build together. This black and white with negative space give a more gender natured look. Says thinking out with a bit of pop culture feel. Use the shade, a mask, and a paper thinner of a light